Hi there, my name is Tejas Prajapati. My student ID is 2255322034, and today I'll be explaining the task 6.1 of SIT232. So the main concept of this task is polymorphism. So we are dealing with the polymorphism. So polymorphism is information or instruction given to whoever it receives to, and it acts accordingly to that. So let's say we have this different birds and a bird class. So I'm giving a specific instruction to all the birds that all birds should fly. But in some cases we have this duck. So duck can fly, but the penguin cannot fly. So it has given a specific instruction, but they are allowed to act upon it specifically. So that's what a polymorphism is. So we have this base parent class. So we have the bird class. Inside the bird class we have the name of name variable. Then we have this method, and we have two methods. So first method is we have this fly method. So notice we have this virtual keyword here. So that's what a polymorphism is. So a virtual keyword specifically defines that let's say this is the default variable or behavior that this class or whatever the other class that are inherit from this parent class should follow. So this is the default variable, but you are also allowed to change according to your taste. So let's say this is fly class. So in the default fly class, every bird which is inherit from this parent class should print out this default thing, which is flap flap flap. But if I want to override it and I say that this bird specifically don't fly, then I can rewrite those things, which can be done with the help of override keyword. So I'll show you an example here. So we have this duck class here, which is inherit from the bird, and inside the bird we have written that this method is not overriding the fly class. So the fly method would be taken from the bird class, but inside the penguin one you have seen that we have override the fly method, so the penguin cannot fly. So we have rewrite those things. So in the bird class you can see that it will be only fly, which is flap flap flap, and inside the penguin class it will be written as penguin cannot fly. Here we have the main program, which is we have just declared two birds with the name of feathers and Polly, and we are overwriting that strings here, and we are doing also we are making the bird fly as well. So we are calling out the fly methods and the two string methods. So the feathers and Polly are the names of the two birds, same for the penguin and same for the duck as well. So here we have also this is other thing which we called a polymorphic list. So inside this list is basically let's say we have a number of birds here. So we don't want every bird to be written specifically or printed specifically. So this is what exactly does, and we give a step of instruction to the program, and it will perform based on the other conditions. So this is also an example of a polymorphism. Then at last we have these covariance, that we have this list here, bag of list, and then list is assigned to let's say something else, which we called a IE enumerable. So what this IE enumerable does is it gives access to whoever reads or handling this list. It gives access to only read that list. So whoever reading the list can handle and can read the elements in the list, but he cannot add another thing. So let's say whatever or whichever number of ducks are here in the this list, duck list. So the one can read and handle those ducks in whatever sense they want to, but they cannot add another penguin class in it. So let's say we have this list here, we want to add another duck. We can add that, we can handle that, we can name that duck whatever we want, but we cannot add another penguin because this list is specifically for the duck class. Okay, so I'll show you the output of this as well. So this is the output. I'll run it again. So here you can see that we have called the first bird name as a feather. So this is print as a feather here. Then we have called the fly method. So the flap flap flap. Then another bird name called Polly. It is also following the bird specific the default fly method. Then we have the penguin name Happy Fit, which cannot fly. We have the penguin name Gloria, which also cannot fly. So yep, that's all for this task. Thank you so much.